Okay, welcome to our WordPress plugin in 10 minutes tutorial. You can find more tutorials on PHP and WordPress plugins, etc., at php.heaveninteractive.com. So for today's tutorial, we are going to talk about creating the plugin, an easy basic plugin in 10 minutes. So first, create the plugin folder. Then create an index file, index.php file, which will give all the plugin details to WordPress. And then we're going to add an admin menu in our plugin. And this tutorial, you can find the written version of this tutorial at php.heaveninteractive. Just go to main menu, PHP tutorials, and then WordPress, and you can find this tutorial there. So basically, we want to first create the plugin folder, create an index.php file. So the plugin folder is basically going to be in our WordPress content folder. We always have the plugins folder. This will be on your web server, of course. So we have WordPress content, plugins, and then these are plugins. I made a directory called php-heaven-first-plugin, and in that folder there's the index file right there. That index file basically looks like this. You can see that it has a commented area, and then these are given by the WordPress documentation for a plugin's configuration. So plugin name, version, description, author, and then these URIs will link back to your site. So and then when you add just this, you will then get inside of the WordPress admin basically your plugin right here. So it says PHP Heaven first plugin, basic plugin setup, and some GUI, version 1.0 by PHP Heaven, and visit plugin site. So if you look back in our index file, that's what we wrote, and that's what it says. So pretty easy. You just comment out this area and you've got some description. Okay, so lastly, we're going to add a little admin menu, and this admin menu is going to, once I activate the plugin, I want an admin menu to show, which will be basically down here. See, it says basic plugin, and then I click basic plugin, and here's my admin area, and this is where you can put your GUI for your plugin. So basically, it's really easy. You have to use the add action, and then the action you want to make a script for is admin menu. I'm going to say that I want the basic plugin menu function to fire, which is here, and that has the actual menu page, and it gives you a function here, plugin admin screen, to fire for the admin screen. So this just says echo h1 and the paragraph that we saw, and we just use basically the action call, and then we use two functions to fire off that admin screen, and then we have the admin area. So again, if you want to see the code for this example, just go to PHP Heaven, php.heaveninteractive.com, and you'll find it there, and you can make your basic plugin. Thank you very much.